PopFoam is a US-based design and engineering company. We use an injection-molded foam material that empowers and innovates the design process. Learn about the PopFoam product development lifecycle. At PopFoam, we strongly believe in the quality of our EVA foam and its amazing utility in various designs. Over the years, we've learned there are few things more crucial to realizing a design concept than collaboration. This is why we've chosen to make design support one of our company's strongest assets. The 7-stage PopFoam product development lifecycle includes define, design, engineer, prototype, document, manufacture, market. A detailed understanding of the PopFoam product and your design requirements empowers our engineering, sales, and management staff to streamline the development process. We'll dive into detail about the define stage of the PopFoam process in our next video. Ready to get started? Contact PopFoam today. Visit us at popfoam.com or email us at info@popfoam.com.